my channel. Today I'm gonna show you my room. Let's go. There's not much about to show you guys because it's pretty tiny. Tiny means like see, I can't stand straight. Alright, so that's my beds here. Bed, my table, my bags and my books, all the stuff here, and you know, clothes. Here's a I don't know what this called, and I have a window here, you know, keep not be dry, I don't know, and like air conditioning. Okay, so I'm gonna show you downstairs because there's no one here. So here, you know, I need to use the wood ladder. There's another 2 beds here, so I'm gonna get 2 roommates. Here's a table and the shelf here. Shelf? Yeah. Got this shelf, right? And I don't know if we're gonna share because, you know, they have this room and I got that room, and I don't know. It's too much hassle to come down and get something and go up. So, and here's a shower room. So that's it. This is all my room. This is not my room. No, like, you know. And I wanted to show the living room, but there's people here. All right. So this is all my room. Here you go. All right, yeah, that's a really quick my room tour. I'm gonna live here for like 4 or 5 months, and maybe next time. I was surprised about the 1 hour wage in Niseko. So maybe I'm gonna talk about that too in the next video. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.